Hi everyone, my name is Angela and welcome to Bedtime Stories. Today we have a very big Dora book. Are you excited? Me too. This book actually has 3 books in it and we're going to read all of them. And this is Dora and Diego's Adventure. The third story in this book is called Dora's Big Dig. Hola, I'm Dora, and today I'm digging in the garden. Dig, dig, dig. Wow! I uncovered a turquoise stone. Ooh, maybe this is an ancient treasure. I should take this stone to my Mami. My Mami is an archaeologist. That means she digs for ancient treasure. She'll know what to do with an ancient treasure. First, I need to pick up my friend Boots. Look, Boots, the stone has a jaguar's face carved into it, and the jaguar is wearing a crown. Boots and I are going to need your help to get to the pyramid to see my Mami. Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Yeah, the map. Say map. Map says that we have to go across Emerald Canyon. Then we have to climb down the steep steps, and that's how we'll get to my Mami. Vámonos, let's go. Do you see Emerald Canyon? There it is, but it's so deep. How are we going to get across? Do you see something we can use to zip over the canyon? Yeah, we can use the zip cord. Whee! We made it over Emerald Canyon. Uh-oh, do you see Swiper? I think that sneaky fox wants to swipe our turquoise stone. We have to stop him. Quick, say Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Thanks for helping us stop Swiper. Where do we go next? That's right, the steep steps. Do you see the steep steps? There they are. Wow, these steps are really steep. Let's hold on to the rail. We have to climb down 10 steps. Will you help us count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good counting. We made it down the steep steps. Good counting. And there's my Mami at the pyramid. Mami, Mami, look what I found. Mami says the stone belongs at the Museum of Ancient Art. We can take it there right away. Vámonos, let's go. The museum director says we found an ancient treasure, the missing piece from the stone's jaguar's medallion. We can put the stone back where it belongs. We did it! We found and returned the stone. Gracias! Thanks for helping. Thank you so much for spending time with me reading all of these stories. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!